How to see private account post on Instagram without following. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see private account post on Instagram without following. Now, if you open up Instagram app and head into any private account here, I'll just head into one quickly. Now you can see if the account is private, you won't be able to view any of the post or any of the pictures that has been posted by the profile owner. Now, the simplest way to view a private Instagram account is to send a follow request. If the user has their profile set to private, they will have to approve your request before you can see any of the content. So what you want to do is simply tap on follow back or follow the user, and then if they approve your following request, then you should be able to see the content. However, if you don't want to follow, then there is no any actual other way around, because there is no any option on Instagram where you can see the post of a locked or a private account. However, what you can do is create a dummy account. Now you can simply create a dummy account and then send a follow request from that dummy account, and if they approve your request, you should be able to view it from that account without you having to follow it from your actual account. So this is the only way around to view up. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.